I've been doing this writing from the subconscious as sometimes an 8-week course and sometimes a 12-week course. Well, I've had enough people who've taken it in this, as I mentioned, 45 different experiments, everything from fragrances to different kinds of movement to like different kinds of structure to like little micro scramblings. And each of them is designed to get at this one idea, this one concept. I should probably quote it directly to you. I will share it with you. It is our key insight for this course is that imagination can be a shared experience, that it is inherent in language and boils up naturally out of it. So that's the concept, that instead of you being responsible for being creative, instead of you being responsible all the time for coming up with something interesting, instead of the writer being on the spot and under the gun or under the lash of being, you know, interesting, that we can let just the play of our minds, the play of our imagination, the play of language itself, or sometimes even sharing some words and phrases with other people in our class, mixing them up. And language has this amazing power, and our subconscious has this amazing power to create new material from which we can grow our work. So the next time I'm offering a weekly free writing class, I'll call it a deep dive. It is going to be on Thursday mornings. It is starting on the 20th of August. It is similar to what we did tonight. It's a little longer. It's 3 hours, so we can kind of sink in a little bit more, have more time to read, play with different exercises and experiences. And one of my students called it the crown jewel. I don't know. I'm a little embarrassed by that, but it's basically everything. I've just, last time I taught it, I feel like I really got a hold, not only got a hold of what I was doing and was able to explain it better, but kind of took it deeper, a lot deeper. So I'm going to share that with you. It is here at theopening.org, Writing Open the Mind Deep Dive Intensive. And basically, what we do is what we did tonight: get beyond your fear of judgment, take risks, and restore a sense of joy to your writing process. And, again, as I said, imagination can be a shared experience. It's inherent in language and it boils up naturally out of it. So how do we do that? We start with these concepts of intuitive juxtaposition, playing with the oysters of word sounds in our mouths, tapping into different locations of your own brain, different voices that live inside of us, attitudes, genres, and just encourage that sense of emergence and exploring ways that we can not only have fun writing, but re-enchant our daily lives. There might be a little bit of improvisational movement. You can turn off your camera in order to generate different mind states and then write from that. Walk around kind of kicking and punching and then write, and then do some very smooth Tai Chi or Qigong movements and then write. Similar to shifting genres, but doing it through the body. Just giving you, and also showing you how to revise from the subconscious mind. And this is the key idea. It's the pen which dreams. Let the pen dream. So every week you'll get a free writing experience or two and have fun with a partner reading, and you'll get to ask questions and explore. And this is Pacific time, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. And I have 3 spaces left, and it says 5 spaces. I haven't updated it. And I will put the link here. You also get a copy of my book, digital handouts and PDF articles. I'm very generous. I just want to give this away. And if I were independently wealthy, I would offer this class for free. I love doing it. I do need to buy groceries and support myself, so I do charge for this class. But I would love to have you in there. And then I'll have recordings to many of our writing exercises all available to you as well.